Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's to remind me to remind you guys that if you press that button, and I really hope that you do, if you're enjoying the content of a creator, you simply press that button, that thumbs up will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today, excited again because unexpectedly, I finally got my second premium box for the month of August. On my channel, I open up everything prior to take a picture for Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out. It's True Wants with the number 2. I hope you guys will join me there, and make sure to leave a comment that you came over through YouTube. It means everything to me. All right. We take that picture, and when I opened up the box, I was in shock that literally I only have one duplicate item, and there were not a lot of variations in the premium box this month, so I really wasn't sure what I was going to get. So really happy that the duplicate item is one that if you were to get a duplicate, it would be a duplicate that you would want. So let's get started so I can share with you everything that I have in my box. So this is still the month of August, but this is my second premium box. If you haven't seen any of my Boxycharm unboxings, I will try to link them down below in the description box. They were all phenomenal. My 2 base as well as my other premium. I'm really happy with everything that I've received. And this month is called Go All Out. And there's a variation number. Like I said, I'll leave that in the description box down below. Any information that's here, I will try to leave in the description box down below. So the first item was one of my choice items, and it is from Fenty. And I love that it comes in the retail packaging, because if it's something that's not for you and you want to give as a gift, it's such an easy thing to do when it comes in the retail box. I just love it. So this is the Fenty Beauty, and it's called What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. It is a super fine hydrating mist that can be used under makeup for foundation prep or over makeup to instantly revitalize and refresh your skin throughout the day. This is a $30 value. And if I didn't mention it, the premium box is a $35 a month box. When you sign up with Boxycharm, there's sometimes a wait list for this box, but you always have to start with Boxycharm with the base box, which is a $25 a month box. You then can request to have the premium, and then if you only want the premium after the first month, you can cancel your base box and solely get the premium box for $35 a month. The only thing is that you cannot upgrade to the Luxe from a premium. So the premium is a month-to-month box on its own. So let's get started with the spray, and let's see what the mist feels like and what this is all about. The packaging on Fenty, I have been so impressed with this Fenty brand. It is now one of my favorite foundations. I'm so impressed with that. Was tough to pull off. That is the top. It has a spritzer, but we always love to test the spray to see how the mist is. Oh my God, that is such a fine mist. Oh, and the scent is really minor. Really just refreshing. Oh, is that beautiful? That is a beautiful mist. Oh, really excited about that. Okay, that's the first item. The second item that I got was my choice, and in the premium you get 2 choices. They give you a few to choose on the first round, and then they give you a second choice of a different round of products. And this has been a really surprising brand. First of all, it's a Canadian brand, which I didn't know, and this brand is called Vesco Beauty. In my other box, I really wasn't sure what to choose in the second choices, so I chose one color in that one, which I swatched, which I'll leave in that video, like I said, linked down below. And then I chose a second color because I love lippies, and to me that's just, I just find it brightens up your whole face. Just the change of a lip color can change everything. To me, it's like a tie on a man's suit. So this is really fantastic. So I chose a second lippy color on this one here. but I've seen a lot of girls also open up some bronzers from this, and they looked beautiful too. So I really think this is a fantastic brand. So this is called, and thank you to Boxycharm to introducing us to so many phenomenal brands. So this one is called the Lush Glow Creamy Lip Oil. It is inspired by a lush tropical garden. This is a high pigment creamy lip treatment that is infused with Tahitian coconut oil and vitamin E, a dose of moisture that conditions and soothes your lips. It's a non-sticky, cushiony comfort that delivers a dewy glow for your lips with every swipe. Each perfectly curated hue works for all skin types, tones. Let the fresh tropical scent transport you. And this is a $26 value on its own. So let's take a look here. And I'm not sure if I have, oh, here it is. I can't see the name on the bottom here. This is my magnifier that you know is from our True Wants Need It bag. They're still available. We brought some more in that you can pick them up through Improving Lifestyles. That's my website with my brother that we have some products on there, and these are really fantastic. I think we have them available still there under the accessory section. And this color is called Hibiscus. So really, and just so you know, when you're looking for magnifiers now, if it has a light, it makes the biggest difference from just a regular magnifier. And plus this has the keychain and everything too, and I think these are around $10, but they're absolutely fantastic. So let me see, Hibiscus, all right. So that is what the doe foot applicator looks here, and it is just huge and delish. And then the color is so vibrant. It is such a happy color. Look at that. Oh, that is just perfect. So excited about that. All right, the third item that we got in here, and I know a lot of girls were disappointed that they got more than one spray in their boxes and so on and so forth. I was hoping that I was going to get this spray from this brand. It's called OSEA, and this is a Malibu, and it is Sea Minerals Mist, and it says balance and soothe the skin with this supercharged toning mist. OSEA has a proprietary blend of nutrient-rich seaweed visible that evens out your skin tone while it minimizes and uses its minerals to work their magic. It is a cooling and refreshing. The aloe vera infused mist helps nourish your sun-drenched skin. It has a micro cloud mist, is the ideal delivery system for plumping and hydration. It is a $38 value. And I saw a few people that got PR and they said the mist was too hard, and then later on in another video, they said they took it on their trip to, I'm trying to think of the gentleman's name. He gets PR from Boxycharm. I think his name is Brett. I apologize if I'm saying the wrong name. And he said that he went on a trip to New York and he changed his tune 100% based on the ingredients that were inside here. This brand has really impressed me. I've had the opportunity to try this brand through other boxes. I think it was Allure that introduced me to it, and I'm impressed with this brand. So if the mist is too hard, I don't think it's that hard, and there's no real scent, then just keep it a little further away. But I didn't find it too hard, but you know, everybody has their own definition of what they expect out of a mist. So really excited about that. So I really was hoping that I wasn't going to get disappointed, because I knew that I chose the Fenty one, but I didn't want to not get this one. So like I said, I'm happy that I got both. All right, the next item in here is also from a brand that I've had the opportunity to try a few of their products. Their night moisturizer, their day moisturizer, and I think this morning I used the cream, the body lotion that was from here. And all of them come in the same type of tubing. And ironically, when I pulled it out of the container, the tubing was a little bit dented. And this one, there was no, because I like to open up to, you know, be able to spritz and do stuff for you guys. These normally have something that in it that has a pin to close it, but this one didn't. So this one had no seal or anything on it. So I just want to share that with you guys. So this one here is, like I said, the brand is called Grown Alchemist. It is an age refining gel mask. It is an anti-aging facial mask that revitalizes dull skin while delivering a cooling sensation. It has hyaluronic acid and glycerin that will hydrate our skin to help it look plumper, healthier, and smoother. It has peptides, amino acids, and antioxidants in pomegranate and green tea that will defend against the pollution and environment aggressors, lending to the oxidization and loss of collagen and elastin. This is a bioactive botanical blend that clears your skin while calming irritation for a rejuvenated complexion and brightness and glow. They're saying this is a $79 value. And as I tell you all the time, when you're part of Boxycharm, these values are real, but we're able to, if we fall in love with a product, usually get it in future add-ons at a lot less than the price that's on the card. So hopefully, you know, this is a fantastic product, and if I want to repurchase, it's an easier repurchase because of Boxycharm's add-ons. The next one is from Earl Harbor. And this is a newer brand to me, but I've had the opportunity to try a couple of their products now because they've been in so many boxes that I've been receiving, and I'm impressed with this brand. This is the Sunshine Dew Antioxidant. It's a cleansing oil. It has sweet tropical sunshine with a silky dew drop that will smooth across your face, removing impurities, pollutions, and makeup. It has an antioxidant-rich oil that is infused with sea kelp and papaya enzymes that will arouse our senses while cleaning and softening our complexion. It rinses completely clean with water. There's no tugging, no scrubbing, or a greasy feeling. Just an effortless oil that massages and rinses, leaving your skin fresh, hydrated, and bright. And this is a $24 value. And I'm happy I read the card because usually as soon as I hear cleansing oil, it's something that I usually don't gravitate to. I've tried a few from some very high-end brands, and it just, for an oily, you know, girl that used to be very oily and now I'm combo, you know, leaning a little bit more to dry in certain areas. I've got every skin going on in my face. I've got oil, I got dry, and I've got normal. So when I see cleansing oil, I used to always like stay clear. And like I said, I tried a few and I just felt it was just too much oil, but they're saying this is a non-greasy, and the other products that I tried from this brand has been fantastic. So I will definitely be trying that. And then the last item is the one that ended up being a duplicate. And you know how I started this video where I said, if you're gonna get a duplicate, this is a good one? This is, because these are face discs, and these are, this is from this brand called Lush, and this is the brand that we got introduced to so many of their expensive makeup brushes. This is a $24 value, and it is a wipe away your day with the alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes towards the safe and sustainable planet. Due to its reusability and washability, the organic bamboo cotton has soft plush fibers that all gently remove impurities, and it means that we can use them for different types of applications. It also says on the back here, you know, what each color is meant for, but I also watched another YouTuber, and I think her name is Yari. I know that she's friends with the other one that I watched as well. And she was using the gray one. She tested to use it, and she said it was similar to the Blendiful. So play. If you get these, I mean, they are so different. They are not thin. They are not flimsy. They have a good bounce to them. They're huge. The fibers are different on each one. This is really a unique product. So when you have these, it's always nice if you have extra ones so that it doesn't, you know, if you want to use them more than once and keep some extra ones on the side or one in your travel bag, I think these are fantastic to get a duplicate of. So that's everything that I received in my box. So please share with me if you got any of the exact same items and if you've had the opportunity to use them in the comments down below, because that's what we do in the comments here on True Wants. Your voice is heard in the comments. I respond to all the comments that are there. So if you do not get a response from me, it means that I didn't receive your comment. And that has been happening periodically with YouTube, that for some reason the comments are not coming through all the way into the area where I get to respond to them. So if I don't respond to you, please try to leave a second comment, because I always try to respond to all my comments. And thank you to everyone who shares with me in the comments, because that's my lifeline to you guys. So, and it's your voice. So a lot of you have shared and shared with each other, and that's how we're able to decide which products we want to get or which products worked for you. And if it has to do with skin, then please leave your skin type in the comments down below, because that helps make some of our decisions a little bit easier too. Everybody continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.